are my 6 items: chili, some onions, the potato, an egg, tuna, or you can use standard tuna as well without chili, but I'm using the one with chili on it, and then breadcrumbs. You can see the potato is being boiled. It needs to fully boil so that we can put a fork through it, and it is soft and easy to peel off once it's boiled as well. Hey, now I've added salt, onions, chili, and the tuna, and mixed up the potato that was smashed up, which I boiled earlier. What I'm gonna do is now nicely mix things up. Based on the 6 ingredients that I got, I just used up only those ingredients, but you can add more spices, for example like curry leaves or any other vegetables in here as well. Anything that you can mix this thing up. Hello again. I have now rolled this up into tiny little balls, and you can use, I don't know, whichever size that you prefer, and then you just leave it there. And then what you need to do is just pick up one of those balls, dip it into the egg, which is beaten, dip it nicely, and then use the breadcrumbs to roll it fully. Use it thoroughly, and then put it on the plate and do the same for the rest. I'll get back to you in a bit. Hello. Now I have rolled them up into the tiny balls with the breadcrumbs on it. Now I'm gonna put them on burning hot oil. It should be not shallow fried, it should be fully fried, but I'm just gonna use shallow fry for now. You can also use a air fryer as well, if you want to go oil free. That's an option as well, but I'm just gonna use oil for now. Catch you later when this one is fully cooked. Hey, we're back again, and now you can see that the cutlets have boiled and looking good. It's now nice and crispy. I've now just transferred them onto a plate with paper on it, which absorbs all the oil. Catch you in a bit.